Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can trade on Base using Coinbase Wallet. So first, you just have to ensure that your Coinbase Wallet application is installed and secured, and you must have ETH on Ethereum mainnet or L1 to cover the initial bridging fee. Next is to bridge to Base network. So you have to move assets to L2. So inside the Coinbase wallet, go to the Assets tab and select Bridge and choose to move your ETH from Ethereum to the Base network. So this process takes time, typically minutes to hours, and incurs a one-time L1 gas fee. And once confirmed, your ETH will appear on the Base network called Base ETH. Next is navigate to a DEX or dApp, the app application. So use the web browser tab. So in here, trading on Base requires a decentralized exchange or DEX. So just tap on the dApp browser icon. So this is the 4 squares at the bottom of the application. So just search for a popular DEX like Uniswap or SushiSwap. And once the site loads, you just have to tap Connect Wallet and select Coinbase Wallet, and you have to ensure that the network selector is set to Base. Next is Configure and Execute Swap. So on the DEX, select Base ETH as the token that you want to sell, and your desired target token too. So enter the amount, and just a pro tip that you have to check your slippage tolerance, usually in settings for popular tokens. So 0.5% to 1% is fine, and for new tokens you may need higher but risky slippage. So next and last one is to confirm and trade securely. So you just have to approve the transactions or review the final trade details, which is the amount fees, and you will approve the low or the base gas fee using the Base ETH. So just a security check to always verify the URL of the application and disconnect your wallet after trading is complete. So Base fees are typically cents, so confirming the speed and efficiency of layer 2. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!